The Nissan Pathfinder comes in 6 trim levels: S, SV, SL, SV and SL Rock Creek Edition, and Platinum. Each trim level offers something a little different. This video will help you understand which one best fits what you're looking for. Like all 2019 Pathfinder trims, the S is available in 4-wheel drive. Pathfinder S is available in 5 exterior colors. The S has unique wheels. Its headlights make a stylish statement, and it's ready to transport cargo on the roof. All the essential comfort features are standard on Pathfinder S. The interior comes in dark charcoal cloth, and there's air conditioning for multiple zones. Standard convenience features give you easier access and more control. Start the engine at the push of a button. Make a call with both hands on the steering wheel. Get a helpful reminder to check the rear seat. Get the info you want at a glance. The large touchscreen keeps you connected to your world. Plenty of places to keep your devices charged up. Every Pathfinder comes standard with confidence-inspiring driver assistance features. You'll appreciate tech that can brake automatically to help avoid a frontal collision, and a system that can let you know when a stationary object is behind you. Need a clearer view behind you? Now you'll have one. Pathfinder SV includes Pathfinder S equipment, plus some extras. Like S, it's available in 4-wheel drive. Pathfinder SV offers all of the colors available on Pathfinder S and 3 additional colors for a total of 8. The Pathfinder SV exterior gets a lighting upgrade. Pathfinder SV comes in 2 interior colors. Pathfinder SV lets you dial in your ideal seating position and offers a luxurious steering wheel and shift knob. Unlock your Pathfinder without touching your keys. While out on the road, fight glare without even thinking about it, while your wipers adjust automatically based on your speed. Just like Pathfinder S, Pathfinder SV comes standard with confidence-inspiring driver assistance features. Get help staying in the flow of traffic, and know when it's clear to change lanes. Backing up? Get a warning when a car is detected sneaking up from either side. The all-weather package gives you the tools to fight cold weather, while the tech package helps you navigate through city traffic with ease. Pathfinder SL includes Pathfinder SV equipment with exterior and interior upgrades. Like SV, it's available in 4-wheel drive. Pathfinder SL comes in 8 colors. Pathfinder SL gives you a brilliant way to light the road and innovative outside mirrors that can tilt for a better view when backing up. Pathfinder SL comes in 2 interior colors. Dial in your comfort with a customizable driver's seat, while a memory system means you never have to spend time readjusting. Get a little help seeing at night when getting in your vehicle, and power up a laptop with a convenient outlet. Hands full? Just kick your foot under the rear bumper to open the liftgate. Get turn-by-turn directions. Set up alerts and get assistance when you need it most. And find your way around traffic. In a crowded parking lot? Get a better picture of your surroundings. And the Premium package offers additional style, convenience, and technology. Pathfinder Rock Creek Edition comes in SV or SL trims and includes either Pathfinder SV or Pathfinder SL equipment plus some extras. Like other trims, it's available in 4-wheel drive. Pathfinder Rock Creek Edition comes in 7 colors. The Pathfinder Rock Creek Edition gets some impressive exterior upgrades, along with a distinctive interior. Pathfinder Rock Creek Edition has a one-of-a-kind interior. There's distinctive trim all around, unique stitching throughout, and special badging that sets this vehicle apart. The tech package on SV Rock Creek Edition helps you navigate through city traffic with ease, while providing extra comfort features. while the premium package on SL Rock Creek Edition gives you a serious sound upgrade and a perfect way to view the stars. Pathfinder Platinum includes Pathfinder SL equipment with exterior and interior upgrades. Like SL, it's available in 4-wheel drive. Pathfinder Platinum comes in 8 colors. The exterior gets some serious upgrades. Pathfinder Platinum comes in 2 interior colors. The front seats help you stay at the perfect temperature, while a memory system means you never have to spend time readjusting. Interior upgrades abound with distinctive trim, while a premium audio system takes your music to the next level. Perfect for long road trips, the Nissan Mobile Entertainment System package offers entertainment for the whole crew.